welcome to Pemberley Farm. Well, we're in the old farmhouse today and we've been here all day canning and doing other things, all of which is on video. But I wanted to talk to you right now about an event that is coming up. It's not an event that we are putting on, but it's an event that we are attending, and it's in South Alabama, just outside of Dothan, Alabama, in a place called Landmark Park. And it is called Keepers of the Old Ways, and it is a great event. This is our third year doing this event, and there is all number of skills that you can learn at this event. We are teaching an open fire cooking class. Those who attend that class will get to eat the lunch that we prepare during class. And we'll teach you all about it. You'll go home with a notebook that gives you a lot more information than we'll have time to go over in class. But there'll be all manner of things there. I know that Stivers Homestead is going to be there, Jen and Zach Stivers. And so that's exciting. Billy Bond from Pasture Farm is going to be there. And just a whole lot more people that are in the homesteading movement and have been doing this for a while, and that they love to teach other people. So there'll be classes that are paid classes, and then there'll be some things, some demonstrations and classes that are free. Ours is a paid class because we're feeding you, and so it will be a paid class. But to find out more about all of it and to see who is going to be there, go to Facebook and go to Keepers of the Old Ways, and you can see all about it. There's an Eventbrite link, easy for me to say, for you to go to so that you can buy tickets to get in. And the tickets you purchase will be a 2-day ticket to get you in both days if you'd like to. And also there's some, like I said, some of the classes are paid classes and some are not. And so it will have all of that on Eventbrite for you to be able to choose what you want to do and to go ahead and get your tickets before they run out, because some of the classes will run out. You know, we can only handle so many people in our classes at a time, any of us. And so make sure you do that and go check it out. And if you go to that event and you don't come to our class, do come by and say hello at our tent. You won't be able to miss us. We'll have red tablecloths on everything. So and we kind of stand out because of all of the red. But I would love to see you there. I would love to meet you there. You know, anywhere, if you're in the Southeast, this is going to be a great event. It's going to be a big event. It's, like I say, going to be a lot of people there. So just make it a long weekend or something and come down. There's a lot of hotels in and around Dothan, Alabama, a lot of good places for you to stay, a lot of great restaurants. So check it out, Keepers of the Old Ways on Facebook, and check it out and come see us on March 31st and April 1st. That is when the event is, March 31st and April 1st. Hope to see you there. God bless you from Pemberley Farm.